Okay, so I'm putting together another wood rack. I bought these parts off Amazon, 20 bucks. So they go together like this. So the you put 2x4s in here. You can use any length, 8, 10, 12. And then you put 2x4s that stand up here. One here, one here. Now this one also came with metal braces that you can put on the side to stabilize the ones that go up on those racks over there. I think I filmed it, I'm not sure, but I made my own 2x4 braces. That's probably what I'll do on this one too. So I just thought I'd get some video on how this thing goes together. Okay, and then you can use regular deck screws. It comes with small black screws, but I'm going to put big lag screws in it, galvanized ones. Okay, so I got the lag screws in. 2 over here, 2 over here. There's no braces in the middle. I thought about putting braces in there, but there's a storm coming. I want to get it stacked, so it should be okay. Hopefully the 12-foot ones won't spread apart, you know. Maybe I'll put something in there where that center block is at 6 foot. I'll just put a little piece of 2x4 in there. Got a piece of this. I'll just lag screw it in there. I don't have to worry about it spreading. Okay, we got a brace in there. It should stop those 2 bores from spreading. That should stop those 2 bores from spreading. Okay. Okay, so this is as far as I got today. This rack is actually 2 feet longer than that one I had up there. That bottom board was only 10 foot, but this one's 12. But because it angled out, a lot fit on there. So I still got a pile of scrap here. I was hoping to fit all that on here too. But tomorrow I'll see if I can get it up there. At least some of it. There's still some space. I didn't put the brackets, the top braces on before I piled the wood, and it spread it just enough to where they wouldn't fit, you know. So I had just painted them, and I didn't know if I was going to put them on yet. I went ahead and threw them on, and they're not long enough. So put your braces on first. With the braces, you can only pile your wood so high, so you can't go above 4 feet. So that's okay for me, because most of my scrap pile here under this blue tarp, it's all like kindling. I'm gonna chop it up for kindling. There might be a few good pieces left on it. I'll put them up in here tomorrow. And then I got a tarp to go over it. I couldn't find a 12-foot cover, you know, like those black covers I got. So I just bought a big tarp. We'll do that tomorrow. I made some braces for the sides here. I just painted them up, put them on tomorrow. Just in case it starts to spread. You know, this will probably hold it, but I got to put some bigger screws in here. Okay, see you tomorrow.